expert. We saved the best for last. If you watch E and you watch Botched, that's right. We have the star. That's right. Dr. Nassif is here. He is the star because he is the leading Beverly Hills facial plastic surgeon. So I forget what your partner's name is.
Yeah, that's right. Look at him.
No, it's all about the face. And we've got the man here with us doing something so exclusive. And my mom just texted me, bring this home now. We have for you a product unlike anything else because we're going to be talking about doubling the size, not at $80. A big customer pick that sold out at $80, it's $50. You've got to be fast. It's only $10 for you to get it home. You have unique spheres inside of this that is designed for the thinnest, most fragile skin to plump and bring volume back. Because if I come to see you for a great facelift or whatever you say I need to make myself look better, you can only do so much. You can't do anything topically.
You can't.
Nope. Until tonight.
That's exactly right.
So welcome. Let's talk a little bit about this unique formulation.
Okay, so you know, I think I've mentioned this before when I talk about hydro-screening my patients. And right now we're showing up some of the pictures of hands, and you can see about what we talk about actually adding hydration. So when a patient comes to me, the first thing I say is, I check their skin, and usually what happens all the time, they're dehydrated. So we put them on HydroScreen. We do this twice a day for 4 weeks before I even touch your skin. So if you fly out to me, that's what's gonna happen, and that's what I brought here to HSN. And what's great about this has something called hyaluronic acid microspheres. And this technology is almost like a drone going into your skin, and hyaluronic acid holds its weight 1,000 times more than water. So in other words, as soon as you get in your skin, and we have actually a nice video to show an animation of how it works, it goes in and actually your skin absorbs it. So here it is. So for example, right now you just take a little drop, and by the way, a lot of this goes, I mean, just a little of this goes a long way.
Yes.
I mean, you have to be in it dries to a matte finish. So as we age, dehydration, your skin goes in like that, dehydrated, you put a drop, then all of a sudden it expands. And that's what the hydration, because it's soaking in everything. It's intensely hydrating. And guess what this also has? So besides hydrating your skin, it also has retinol. Retinol is a natural form of vitamin A, which helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also has something that helps with the hydration. It's called glycoceramides, sphingolipids. I know this is a mouthful.
I love sphingolipids. Sphingolipids, come on, we all want sphingolipids.
And that helps with your hydration. And that's why this product, take a look at your hands now, look at the difference.
Watch, see it slowly plumping up. I want you to see, I mean, I put just a couple drops on. You need to give it about 3 minutes to completely soak in and give the full benefits. Look at the thinness in my hands. I really want you to look at how thin and crepey this skin is. I want you to take a look and wait till you see in a true 3 to 5 minutes, the plumpness, the fullness. I can't pinch this skin. It is so full of hydration. It's not oily, it's not greasy, it's reducing lines and wrinkles, but it's because of this formulation, and it doesn't wash off. It builds.
Oh yeah. I mean, so this, like, I gotta show you this. So, just like your hands, by the way, if you take a look, and this is one application you're seeing Caroline right now.
Wow.
If we look at the luminosity, the glowing, the radiance, look around her, the crow's feet area, this is hydration at its best, and this is one application. Just think if you're using this twice a day for a while. Our next photo right here, let's take a look at Amy. Now look at her glabella, which is in between her eyes, the 11s. Look at her forehead, look at her cheeks. Look again at the luminosity. Why do I see
volume? And doctor, volume, again, we talked about this earlier, is a big buzzword.
Volume is a big buzzword.
And we want it back. We lose it so quickly. How do we get volume back? Because I'm looking at her cheeks, I see volume.
Yeah, that's what hydration's all about. We're filling up, the skin is filling up again. And this again, that's why hyaluronic acid, which is a natural substance, is wonderful. And take a look at the next photo. You can see, again, this is one application. In this 3/4 view, you can see the cheeks a lot better. Now, and you can see how it's glowing, it's radiant, it's plumped. And the interesting thing about this, if you can actually get your hands to change, just like you put on your hands.
I know, we'll show you.
And we'll show you the next one here. I want you to look at this patient here is 67 years old.
Wow.
Now look at the wrinkles on the before photo. Look near the wrist. Again, that's an area there's a lot of movement. Now take a look at the anatomy also on the other part of the hand. Look at the difference in those wrinkles. And again, that's 4 weeks. Take a look. Look at the wrist. Look at the wrinkles.
See,
take a look at that.
There's not another product that does this, that's adding the volume back. And when we look at these before and afters, it's cumulative. So yes, you get that instant gratification, because what I love about this is it's putting on there a thin molecular film, But I will tell you right now, it stays. It's not going anywhere, and this is gonna dry to a matte finish. Look at the difference. I want you to go ahead and look at the lines and wrinkles. Look at the difference.
Look at the anatomy. Look at the anatomy difference. Look at this.
I mean, it is getting so full of hydration. Look at the thinness that you have here. So here's what's happening. We're gonna share with you, there's 1,900 left. We are extremely busy. This is Dr. Nassif's final show of his visit. We don't have him here every month or every other month. This is it. This is your final chance to pick this up today, where it's only $50. If you walk into Beverly Hills, his beautiful practice you've seen on eBotched, you walk in there, and I saw it on the TV show, his products were there. You're not paying $50 for this product, and he's gonna put you on this product before he does any facial construction surgery on you. Before you get anything done, you have to use this product. This will easily last you 4 to 5 months, if not more. And this is your only chance to dramatically change the volume with unique molecular structures of hyaluronic spheres. Some sitting topically, some going deeper, where we're actually, I've never seen a product that added volume. That doesn't wash off.
Well, your before and after right now is incredible.
Look at this.
And what is that, less than 5 minutes?
Less than 5 minutes. And this will dry. It's not completely dry down. If you give it 5 minutes, it'll come to a complete matte. But look how here you can see the veins. Look at that.
You do that on your feet, by the way, too, and your elbows. Everywhere.
I'm telling you, there is nothing like this product. I have to show you my... I know.
Okay, hold on. Could you mind if I just do this?
No, try and pinch it.
So I can't pinch this. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm trying to pinch it. Hold on now, let me get, look.
I know.
So that is intense hydration right there. I mean, live. It just happened.
It just happened, and it's gonna get better and better. That's what's so remarkable about this incredible Hydro Serum. You've gotta be fast. We only have about a minute remaining on this. Please use automated ordering, another 500 out the door. This is it, not to return back at $50 ever again. So for $10, I want you to think about dramatically changing the feel, the look, the volume back to your skin, because the only way you can really truly get volume is to go see you.
Exactly.
And you know, we don't want to go ahead maybe and do something drastic.
But you know, the interesting thing is I've been doing this for years, and I finally brought it to Home Shopping Network. And if I can take something and hydrate someone's hands, especially if you look at those wrinkles that we saw a few minutes ago, those wrinkles almost like a tree. You could actually check, by the way, the age of a tree by the circular wrinkles around it. And so when you saw those hands, the wrinkles that are around the wrist, that right there just shows, and that's an automatic, that's 4 weeks. And those patients have developed those wrinkles for what? For decades? 50, 60, 70 years.
And that's the first sign. Aside from looking at our eyes and really seeing the aging there, the thing that we notice next is volume. Everything's sagging down. And that's because we don't have the fullness back. That's the breakdown of collagen. We don't have the great, you know, hydration we used to have.
Yeah, we don't. And this is why you have to hydrate. But this assists in hydration because of the hyaluronic acid. Take a look at these photos one more time. I love these photos. When I saw these, I was surprised because these are 4 weeks. Look at the wrinkles. Look at the volume. Take a look at the difference between the two. Okay, let's go ahead and show the next one if we can.
It's remarkable, and it's instant. Instant.
Look again around the wrist. Remember, the wrist is the area which has dynamic movement. By the way, the more you move a piece of the skin around a joint like that, the more wrinkles you're gonna get. Take a look at the difference between before and after. And then my favorite one's coming up. This is my favorite one. Here we go. That's my favorite one.
Jeez.
Now, imagine 3 months of how that hand is gonna look.
It is.
Now, if it does it to the hand, what do you think it's doing to the face?
I know. You have to get it home. It's $10. Last and final chance. My hand is still getting more volume to it. So it's $10. Last chance. It's only sold